Hello, and thank you for viewing our 2-minute update with a special feature this week from our soon-to-be retiring president, Roger Frick. As you view the newsletter, be sure to check out legislative reports and recommendations as study committees have now wrapped up. And if you live in a city, be sure to vote next Tuesday, November 3rd. Now let's talk with Roger Frick, who is planning to retire after a 30-year career with United Ways.
Thanks, Maggie.
So Roger, when you think about public policy and advocacy, what do you feel is the most important?
You know, volunteers are the heart of all of our work in advocacy and United Way at large. Volunteers come together when they see a need or an opportunity in their community. They want to help people. They want to make their community a better place. So our United Ways have raised and invested a lot of financial resources to make families stronger, support food pantries, help young children. But we know it takes a lot more than money. So United Way volunteers have seen the impact of changing policy. Volunteers have been willing to speak up for state and federal funding for programs that address their local issues. They've advocated for quality child care, basic safety nets, some tax policies, and health care access. Our policy volunteers at the State Association shape our policies, and we're proud to say we've also included some elected officials in our policy volunteer corps. So it's great when volunteers visit the State House too. The passion and spirit of volunteers, they get to meet with legislators. Every other year we have a team of volunteers who also go to Washington, D.C. to meet with members of Congress. And it's a great time. It's a great experience for volunteers to meet in the State House and articulate the issues that we care about. Volunteers in advocacy and policy work are United Way's greatest asset. They are really what bring the passion and give those local issues life in the forms of legislation.
Thanks for sharing, Roger, and we agree and certainly value our volunteers. So if you know a volunteer who might be interested in joining our efforts, feel free to forward on this newsletter.